To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos. Morning routines have a strong influence on the rest of your day, and then the rest of your life. If you study successful people you may know of, you'll find that most of them have morning routines to keep themselves in check and highly motivated. The morning routines in this video will put you in control of yourself and your day. 1. Have a plan. Having a planned routine in the morning is your first step to transforming your life. Ever heard the saying, fail to plan, plan to fail? If you have no plan for the next morning, chances are you'll default to doing the least you need to do to get through the day. If you want to change your life, you should get a routine. Start by choosing a specific time you think you should wake up. We know that many successful people like to wake up at sunrise and take part in some sort of physical activity. This would be a great start for you. 2. Get rid of your phone. Your phone should not be the first thing you look at in the morning when the alarm goes off. Rushing into your phone the first thing in the morning is like rushing into the world of other people's lives, even before you've had time to enter yours. Take the morning to clear your head so that you can be mentally prepared for the rest of the day and focus on the main goals you'd like to accomplish, instead of distracting yourself with menial tasks like notifications. To practice this, keep your phone away from your bedroom and out of reach of your bed. 3. Meditate in the morning. The benefits of meditation first thing in the morning cannot be overemphasized. By meditating on things you have accomplished, you will have more gratitude for your life and appreciate your day more. Afterwards, visualize the things you want to accomplish and feel like you have accomplished them. Will Smith has talked about visualizing his success before he became successful. This will drive you into your day with a sense of purpose. 4. Journal. Journaling helps you put your day into perspective. You can write down inspiring thoughts that will drive you through the day. You can also write down your goals and ways to achieve them. Another part of journaling in the morning should be scheduling your day. You should assign time pockets to different tasks so that you know what you need to accomplish before the day ends. 5. Reading. Most successful people do not go through the morning without reading. Try committing to reading a single chapter of a self-development book when you wake up. This will infuse you with knowledge you need to go about accomplishing your goals. Read books about people who have accomplished what you want to accomplish and learn their strategies. Now, which of these 5 morning routines will you incorporate into your life? Share them with us in the comments below. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.